Hey guys, what's up? I just got here sa place ni Mav. We're doing a food tasting for Coffee Black. Nandito na rin si Chef. May chef kami, si Chef Marcos, to cook all the food. So may mga pasta kami. We have 15 different pasta. Joke lang. Excuse my... Nagulat ba siya?
Restaurant ba?
Hindi mo nasabi sa kanya? Excuse my oily face. I came from Icon Clinic. Hello Icon Clinic. Hello Doc Yapi. So all my partners are also here. Hi! That's Ayeshi. Diba? Isa naming recipe ng pasta. What's this one? Is it the same?
Yes. Bolognese.
Bolognese, pesto, favorite. Oh my God. Truffle pasta. O, di ba nawalaan ko na? Sobrang sarap ng truffle pasta namin kasi may truffle siya. Achiche! And we also have mga chicken pie, pastries, and then we are kind of preparing some milk para at least pag nag-food tasting kami na titikman din namin yung coffee kung nagko-complement ba siya dun sa kape. Diba? Ito yung kape namin. Yung brand niya, Secret! So, kayo magtataka guys kung nandito kami sa condo kasi wala pa kaming kitchen. So, dito muna kami magluluto. Anyway, excuse the electric fan. Para lumabas yung lamig. Anyway, this is the chicken
Pot pie.
pot pie. Oh my God, may truffle.
Gutom na ako.
So guys, lahat na nakikita niyong food, hindi pa ito yung mismong presentation niya. Test lang talaga kami. Tapos, may improve pa siya kung may concern, ganyan. So, saan tumabal siya? Food tasting! Nandito naman kami ngayon sa bahay nila, yes. Nang-i-invade kami. Dito nagluluto si Chef kasi malapit siya dito. So, easier for him to cook and bring his stuff. So, this one is pulled pork. Nasaan pork?
Napinuyo.
Good morning guys, we are now here again in QC with QK this time.
Hi, guys.
And of course Mab, busy. For our final, I hope, na food tasting. So nandito ulit kami sa bahay nila Ayeshi para platadahin, no? Platadahin. Para i-plat or para tapusin na i-finalize na ang mga food for Coffee Blank. You'll see more of it later. So enjoy. I love you. Yay, what's that?
This is Thai milk tea.
Oh, guys, may Thai milk tea kami pero walang sago. Legit from Thailand.
Tula.
More milk. This one is seafood ayoyo and this one is cream of mushroom truffle. Good morning. Today is Friday. Interview day for Coffee Black. We only have 25 days, I think, or less before the opening. So today, I'm excited. Oh my God! Oh no! Oh no! Okay, so going back, super excited kasi dito na namin gagawin lahat, shooting of products, yung registration for Grab, yung mga delivery partners namin, yung terminal namin, yung POS namin, parang sa cashier, and then of course yung lahat ng equipments and kung ilang kape lang talaga yung i-release namin in food. Thank God, tapos na kami dun yesterday, last night. Sobrang busog, grabe, dami namin pagkain. Grabe pag mag-food tasting guys, as in, dami mong kailangan tikman, as in, nire-reserve namin yung isang buong araw na hindi kami kakain. I mean, hindi kami talaga kakain at all mula morning. Kasi alam namin na pagdating namin sa food tasting, dire-diretso na siya. So, sobrang daming pastries, ang daming drinks. Titikman mo pa siya yung food kung nagko-complement pa siya sa kape. Basta ang daming learnings and how to prepare the food, ganyan. Super excited to see yung mga applicants. Guys, 100 plus yung nag-apply. Natuwa ako kasi ang daming gusto makipag-work with Coffee Blanc. And I'm super excited. Actually, nag-shortlist na si Mab. Ngayon, mas konti na lang sila. So, ngayon namin sila makikita. 2 days to. Today and tomorrow, Saturday. Tapos, after that, next week, training na. Kung talagang may mahanap kami. And, yeah. Super excited. So, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Finally here. Hey guys. Hello. Mga interviewer. Dumating na yung samples namin. So, kailangan namin pumili. At dito ko lang pinadeliver. Sinalimutan ko. Touch of Sun, White Glove, and Pumice Stone. Kayo na ang pumili, guys. What do you think? Okay, so let's pili. You're hired. Congratulations. Welcome, Jel. You are the first. Sobrang hirap palang mag-hire ng tao and mag-interview. And ang daming gustong maging part of it. And nakakatuwa lang kasi you'll be hearing different stories, no? Kung saan sila galing, what they do, how they speak, how they present themselves. It's interesting kasi at least parang pag ikaw yung nag-i-interview, parang may stretch out mo kung ano yung kaya nilang ilabas. But, syempre, hindi naman laging perfect yung mai-interview mo. So, I think yun naman yung mga madadaling i-improve sa kanila. Gagawin na lang namin siya sa training. I think 8 to 10 days of training before the opening because we only have weeks before the opening of Coffee Blanc. So, super excited and I hope to see you guys there. And we'll just finish all the interviews today. Marami pa ang naka-line up. Meron pang isa sa online kasi taga malayong lugar. Pero dito talaga sila naka-reside. So, yeah. Hey guys! Now here's a coffee supplier namin. We have a meeting to taste the final coffee bean na specialty grade na pina-customize namin. And then, actually nakapang gym na ako para after makapag-gym ako and then I'll visit the site later. But it's gonna be a long day. Dami kong kailangan tapusin. Ang dami namin kailangan i-finalize kung ano-ano yung exact pastries na talagang i-release namin sa Coffee Blanc and yung exact numbers of coffee na i-release din namin. Saka kanina rin nag-meeting kami pero sa phone lang, online, sa group chat namin about dun sa logo, yung placing ng logo sa cup, anong kulay ng cup, anong design ng other cups, kung meron ba kaming plastic cups. Then, yeah. So, yun yung update for today. Just continue watching. Another site visit. Medyo maraming gumagawa ngayon. Come in. Meron ng kitchen. I-close nila yung kitchen. And then, yung third floor ginagawa na rin. Kasi may exhaust doon. So, kailangan na nilang ayusin. Tapos, ito yung mga, ang tawag dito bro?
Cardiplex yung
Copy natin ito. So, ito yung Cardiplex. So, tatakpan yung mga yan. Saka lalagyan nung may papatong pa tayo, di ba? Papalitadahan pa para mas clean siya. So, by next week, medyo finishing na tayo. Sana ma-achieve. We only have small amount of time. So, good luck! Mabes at home.
Hello guys.
Nagko-coffee tasting kami. By the way, hindi siya taya. Nilagyan lang ni Ma'am. The coffee grinder, my coffee machine, secret sauces. So, Ma'am is making coffee for us. May food tasting din kami. So, makalat pa siya. Makalat siya. First time namin gamitin yung grinder ko. Good morning! Long day again for Coffee Blanc. Finishing our mock-up for the cups and the paper bag. So, meron akong ginawang 3 designs. So, ito yung una. Pero I think nakapag-decide na kami kung ano yung gagawin talaga. Tingnan nyo, ang daming design. Iba-iba. Para sa hot cups, saka yung pang-iced. Ganito. Kaya lang medyo malaki yung logo. So, pinaliitan ko. Yung sa black cups namin, this one. Ganyan. So nice. Pero black din yung takip niya na. Yung isa naman, logo lang, walang name. Tapos, yung likod, ganito. Ito yung sa maliit. Pero actually, wala nang maliit. Our size will be, medium and large. Okay, tapos ito yung isa for the black cups. Ito yung mock-up 2 namin for the black cups. Tapos, pina-add ko tong isa sa kabilang side, yung Facebook and Instagram. Ganda ng cups namin, guys. Pinabago ko. Ganito yung pinagawa ko. Actually, ini-edit ko lang siya sa Canva. So, nilagay ko yung ganyan lang para very minimal. And then, logo sa kabilang side. Tapos, andun yung IG and Facebook. Ang ganda rin ng paper bag namin, guys. Ako, hindi yung gumawa. Super nice. Wow. Oh, di ba? I'm sure magte-take out na kayo palagi. So ngayon, yung ginagawa ko na lang is the paper bag ng mga take out na food. So, yeah. Because
Kasi siya magbabasa.
mababasa yun. Imposible hindi.
O yung mapapasin, ay,
Pinakasulat. Ganun siya. Dapat hindi siya noticeable. It has to be parang subtle lang. What's up guys? Update. It's our second day of training. Hindi ko na kayo na-update kahapon kasi it was super busy day and introduction ng Coffee Blanc and with everyone, with the staffs and the partners, the owners, and yeah. Today is our second day. Ang discuss namin is about the brand and communication skills, of course, and how to handle customers. I was super happy kasi I wasn't expecting na they will get along with each other easily. Sobrang nakakatuwa kasi kahapon pinag-uusapan nila na kung saan makakahanap ng place wherein pwede silang magstay, na magkakasama sila, parang naghahanap na ngayon sila ng place na marirent, ganyan. Naging close lahat agad sila. And they all laugh together, nagbibiroan sila, and nakakasagot din sila sa mga questions. Ganun pala yung feeling if you are handling different people na. Maybe I'll just include some clips ng training, pero I won't show much na. Enjoy watching. What's up guys? Currently in front of Coffee Blanc there. Ang init sa loob kasi full blast yung construction, but anyway, today pupunta kami ng Wilcons to check some tiles para sa flooring namin kasi pinaiba ko yung tiles kasi hindi ko gusto yung unang napag-usapan namin. Parang I want it to be more minimal siguro yung tone and less yung may mga spot kasi parang medyo cement finish yung style or parang marble-ish, parang ganun, stone, parang ganun. Punta muna kami ng Wilcons today ni Josh and then after that, diretso ako sa training day. Hindi pala madali maghanap ng tiles. Parang halos magkakapareho siya pero kahit na maging specific ka, medyo mahirap maghanap nung gusto mo kasi maraming magaganda na iba-iba yung design like this one. This one is nice. Tapos may glossy, meron ding matte finish, meron ding may texture. Yan, nice din, kaya lang may masyadong madaming nangyayari. Ito puro gray na. Hola! So guys, another day, another training day. I just wanna end this vlog because gusto ko yung next vlog is a tour na of Coffee Blanc once it's opened, and yeah, I'll show you more of the cafe on my next vlog. Just wanna say thank you guys for watching. I hope you get inspired and work hard to achieve your dreams. You know, wala lang, I just wanna say na nothing is impossible if you really work hard and do your best in everything that you do. That's just all. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media accounts. See you on the next one. I love you.